we first started it to help clean up the environment and, get rid of some of the local pollution here in town. And hopefully eventually we will have places and other locations all around the country or maybe the world as well.
Yeah, we saw obviously the plastic pollution problem's not going anywhere, so we're able to take a lot of the single-use plastic that people throw out, and we can clean it, shred back down, and make it a new item that's a multi-purpose item, so it's just not in the landfill or out in the environment.
Yeah, so we're not just a recycling company, we're also a upcycling company, giving things a second life. Before, we were just operating off of our Facebook page and our Instagram page, and so this will help communicate to more people and get our name out there and just show what we're all about and what we're doing.
I mean, I guess our main expectation come in, and like I said earlier, is the easiest way for people to contact us for buying products, getting plastic picked up or cleanup. So that was the main thing we wanted, and it went really above and beyond our expectations as far as like the display of the shop, how easy it is for someone to like message to us and go directly to us now. And everyone here has been super helpful in explaining every little step. If there's a certain thing we want different, someone's always been on it like right away. It's been really easy. I mean, the website came out way better than I had envisioned in my head. All kinds of different things they added to the site that I would have never thought of. The background animations, I guess like the layout and stuff is not a strong point of mine for that kind of stuff. So someone like that be able to come in and just really just kind of blow me away on how great it looked.
Yeah, that definitely exceeded our expectations. We're expecting, a great website to begin with, but it's awesome and we love it.
I'm Alan Riggs, CFO Raw Plastic. Please be sure to check out the amazing website we just got as it drops.
Yep, and I'm Luke Oliver, the creative director with Raw Plastic. And yeah, be sure to check us out. We got a lot of stuff coming your way.